In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and reinstall drivers that have become corrupt or you accidentally deleted on a Dell laptop. So the procedure is quite simple. All you literally have to do is use a search engine and type in Dell drivers, and hopefully you will get the link for your specific country. So click on the link once you find it. And the first thing you should see when you enter the Dell page is the option to enter a Dell service tag. This can be found on the underside of your laptop. If you can't find that, you can also click on Detect PC. You will have to download a small piece of software, but it's pretty quick and easy, so click on that. So once it's detected your laptop, it will give you some information. Mine is a Dell G515 5590 with all the relevant information. So if you scroll down a little bit, it should then give you a list of all the drivers which have been released for this particular laptop. You can click on Show All here to get the complete list. So you can see there's quite a lot of different drivers. So if you want to download one, simply click on Download and then save it to your PC. It may take anywhere from kind of 10 to 15 minutes for it to download, so just be patient. So once it downloads, it will be located in your download file folder, and literally just click on it, follow the instructions on the screen on your PC, and that driver will be reinstalled on your PC. So it's as simple as that. You can also, when you're on this page, you can click on let us analyze your system to find the latest updates. You can click on Detect Drivers, and again, it may take a few seconds or even a minute or two for it to detect if any software updates are available. And in my case, there are 2 drivers available. So again, all you have to do is click on Download and Install, wait for it to download, and just follow the instructions on the screen, and you should be good to go. So that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.